Alrighty, hello boys and girls of hopefully all the states or whatever. Today I'll be teaching you how to get the client called Wurst, even though it's one of the best. So first, go to your web browser, which for me I'm using google.com. First, type in wurstclient.net. Click download Wurst. Do not mind all of these, just scroll all the way down. Just kidding. Click on this or whatever you have. Click on this, and then after you click on that, go all the way down here to find these or whatever you have, whatever version you have. Which I have 1.21.4. So click on this. Click on Wurst Client v7 point whatever, and then click on Fabric API. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in app data with the percentage on both sides. Click open, and then open up another file explorer. After you've done that, put the put this and this together or close to each other, and then go to .minecraft on this one. Honeybird, shut it. And then go to downloads, find mods, which is right here. 1 second. Okay, and then go to your other file manager. Select these, move them over, and then you can just close out those. Open up your Minecraft launcher, and then make your bird shut up. Okay, so after you've done that, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have selected the one that says Fabric something, I think. Yeah, Fabric Loader 1 point something. I swear to God, if my bird does not shut up, and then click play. I'll come back with you guys once I have loaded in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. One way to tell that you have loaded your modded pack inside. Sorry, my mic just fell up. But one way to tell is Minecraft 1 point something / Fabric, whatever these are called. Parentheses, modded. I'm gonna go on to a random multiplayer server, but you shouldn't do this because worst, I'm pretty sure, is detect. Oh God, where am I? Well, good thing I have Fulbright. Oh, I forgot to track myself. Oh, 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 oh. No way. Need you. Go away. Okay. Okay. So first I'm going to show you guys X-ray. As you can see, diamonds. As you can see all the ores that are around you. Let's see, auto armor. Just only if I have armor, of course. Go away. Anti-AFK will make you walk around randomly, etc., etc. crystal aura. So what crystal aura is, it basically makes crystals automatically hit around you. Songs that have crystals. Anti-knockback. So let's say I got shot by that skeleton over there. I would not get hurt. Or, no, wait, I would get hurt, but there would be no knockback. Um, Auto sprint. So basically, what that one does is, as long as you're walking, then you will automatically sprint around. Yeah. So I think that's going to be all the commands I showcased today. Of course, all the other commands work. Um, Here, auto mine. See? Hey, shut it, buddy bird. Sorry, I'm a bird in his name, and I named him Buddy. So, yeah. I thought he was going to be my friend, but he just bites me a lot. Okay, guys. See you guys another time. Peace out.